Welcome to the Guided Self-Placement. You have learned about our program. Now, you are going to choose which class level is best for you. This is not a test, but it will take about an hour. If you can, use a computer and find a quiet place to work. We will ask you some questions about your reading, writing, listening, speaking, and grammar. And we will also have you read and write. The purpose is for you to find out which class level is best for you and your goals. So let's get started. Here, type in your name, your student ID number, and your email address. We will contact you with this email address, so make sure it is correct. If you don't have a student ID number, you will need to do the Laney application. Now, you will think about what level of English is the best place to start. You already looked at some classes to give an idea. If you need help, here are some more instructions. As you go through the guided self-placement, you can press Open Help for more instructions and Close Help to close that. Now you will get an article from the level that you chose. Read the article. If it is too hard and you don't understand, click this to go down. If you understand everything, click this to see a harder reading. If it is a little bit difficult but you understand the main ideas, choose the green button. You may want to look around at a few different levels to make sure that you've chosen correctly. Step 4, you will choose your listening and speaking level. You can start at the same level as your reading and writing. Choose the level that is the best fit for what you can do. Now it's time to write. Make sure you have a quiet place to work. This is not a test, and a teacher will not read it. But try to write as much as you can and as well as you can so you can see what you can do in English right now. If you need help, click the Help button. And when you are finished, click this button. Now you will see writing from another student at that level. Compare your writing. Look at how much you wrote, your grammar, your vocabulary, and your organization. If you need help, check this for more guidelines. Decide if this is the same level of writing as you. If it is the same, click this. If you think you should go to a lower class, choose this, or a higher class, choose this. You're almost done. Step 7. We have some questions here that will help us suggest some other classes you can take. Finally, click the yellow button. When you click the yellow button, you will get some directions about what to do next. We will also send you an email. Thank you for taking the guided self-placement, and we look forward to seeing you in class.